sir. This is BT19EC072 Muhammad Shumail. So I am performing the endsem task to make an Telegram bot and generate an OTP and performing the ATM type task of transaction like this. So I have done connections for touching the pins. Since the two pins are not working, the touch sensitivity of those two pins are not working, so I use those two push buttons on some different pins. We can see that, and since the pins are very close, as we can see in this ESP, so I have used the jumper wire and marked them as you can see that 1, 2, 4, 9 and 0 respectively. I marked all the pins just so that I did not get confused while touching and pressing the pin. So I am now I have to see my code. Now as you can see that my code is ready, and I have also provided the SSID and the password of the Wi-Fi and as well as the bot token and chat ID, which I generated from that of bot father and ID bot using Telegram feature. Now I need to upload the code, so I press on upload, and it will take some time, so I need to wait for that time until it gets uploaded. As we can see, it starts uploading 3%, 6%, 9%, so I need to wait because it will take some time. Now 62%, 65%, at 68%. As we can see, our code is now almost got uploaded. Now it's got uploaded, so I have to open the serial monitor. I need to open. So I have opened the serial monitor, and now I need to press the EN button on this ESP EN button. As I press the EN button, we can see that the Wi-Fi is connecting. It will take time. As we can see that our Wi-Fi gets connected. Now our Telegram bot comes into picture for the generation of OTP and other checking the OTP while touching the pin. Okay, now our Telegram bot is ready for the working. So I just need to press that login button or type \login to generate the OTP, and then need to touch these pins or push the button. If it comes in this, then it will tell whether our entered OTP is correct or not. Now let me press the login button. So an OTP will generate 16. OTP is generated 16, as you can see on the serial monitor as well. So 1 is on push button, so I push, and 6 is here. So I touch the 6 and press the 1 button, and we can see that our OTP is correct, and it's working properly, and we are ready for the performance to perform the bid. As we can see on the message that our OTP is correct, we can proceed with the withdrawal. So I available amount and the remaining that bills are showing that 5 bills of 2000 and 1005, 10 bills of 1000 and 10 bills of 500 are shown. So a message will pop up: enter the value between 3 digits. If the amount is less than 5 digits, enter 00 to complete the 5 digit. So we need to enter the 5 digit value to do the withdrawal. A message will come: enter first digit. I will touch the pin 2 for the first digit, and a message will pop up that amount 2 has been pressed. Similarly, we can also enter the other digit as well, and as we can see that amount 22,000 has been coming. Now the amount remaining 0 after using notes also can be seen in this bot, that whatever the amount is remaining, since we touch 2, 2 and 0, 0, 0, so 22,000 has been paid on, and the left amount will be 3,000. Also, we made a channel on ThinkSpeak to show how much value is available, and we provide this API key in the code as well, and the number of bills left will come on these widgets which we added from the add widgets option, and that's all. Thank you, sir.
She wouldn't let me see the baby.